Hey everyone, we are here at the Waves car wash in Gungahlin, getting the Touchless wash today with a WashTec SoftCare 2 Pro Touchless in-bay automatic.
Authorizing.
So yes,
Thank you.
so I have no idea what this wash package is like. I've never used this from Waves other than when I went to Phillip, but that was a new machine. And stop. It's been a while since I've been through a car wash since my last video. Since my last birthday. It's my birthday, I think. But yes, we are starting off with our pre-soak. So have a look at this. Yes, here we come. Here we go. Not very much of soap in the way. This is more of water. Isn't it?
Maybe there's something in the water.
Yeah, I think so. Yep. You'll see this bar go over the head of the vehicle. And I wonder what's next.
You can see there's something in the water.
Yeah. We're going to be onto the side blasters, I think, next. At least we might foam up. At least might be foaming up.
An interesting cycle, eh?
Yeah.
Not quite sure what it's doing, eh?
I think it's pre-soaking now.
Oh, okay.
Oh yes.
Yes,
Tire scrubbers.
under the car being sprayed.
Yeah. Do you want to know something? You want to do a tire scrubber.
There's a spray underneath the car.
You can feel it. These WashTec machines are pretty clever. And there we go, we've got a bit of soap.
Yeah.
So high pressure wash now, I think. Here we go. Yep, high pressure wash. I can tell. Got our... So here comes our high pressure wash. Pretty loud. This is probably going to be as loud as the one in because it's the same machine, so I reckon it's going to be quite loud as the one in Gungahlin. That's how loud I believe it is. That was super loud. But if it does that, then it's... doesn't it? But shockingly for the other ones, you notice the newer ones don't do it. You know, they're not that close to the glass. If you look at the one that me and Mikey did, you know how that wasn't close to the glass? That's why that wasn't that loud. So that was probably an option that they added, which is why, to make it less louder, I think, to reduce the noise, produce the noise. You know what I mean? Like, prevent it from being, you know, from hearing loss. That'll give you hearing loss. I think we're going to go for another pass of that, unfortunately. But at least the side blasters won't be as loud as that. Nope. We might be on to side blasters now, I think. Yep, we're going to get side blasters now, I think. That I'll know.
Yeah, you're right.
Yep, there it is. We're probably going to go for another high pressure wash, I think.
I think so.
Another overhead. No, this time it'll be a double pass, I think. Because this works a bit like a Mark 7 Aquajet because, you know, it's the same company. So that's what the touch-free cycle's like.
This must be the Rainix.
Yep, this is probably the Rainix. Well, the Rainix isn't bubbly, isn't foamy,
Oh, okay.
but I think it might be the Rainix. If this is the first time I've seen Rainix, and then maybe it is, I'm not sure. But we got one with Rainix. I'm probably just rinsing off now, I think. Yeah.
This just looks like normal soap, eh?
But you can tell this is the rinsing cycle because after this will be the dry. Because you know when it lowers like that, the top brush lowers.
Mm.
So yeah. So see how the top brush is lower than it was before?
Yeah.
That means it's going to start the dry cycle when it gets to the back, when it gets to the front.
Oh, okay.
You'll see what I mean because it will go back up and it will start off the dryers.
A very interesting program, this.
Very interesting cycles. It's called a package, a wash package.
A wash package.
You kind of know what I mean. That top brush is going to head back up as it comes to the front.
I wonder if this is not the Rainix because it looks like rain, eh?
Yeah. I think what Rainix is like a sealant protectant.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a type of spot-free rinse, I think. But watch, look at the top brush. See how it moved back up?
Yeah.
Dryers will start now. Your son's clever.
Your son's very clever.
And here it comes, our rotary roof jet in side dryers. So this dryer is pretty interesting because this actually doubles as the wash bar and the drying bar. I had to explain this to one of my viewers.
Oh, yeah?
And then he's like, oh really, this is how it works.
Yeah, because you can see here's the dryer and then the jet's on the other side.
Yeah. So that's how a combi wash machine works, or a machine that we can do both. Here comes the rotary roof jet. You know, I need to do my thing in a minute. My camera. About any moment now. there's the fan motor right there. I always call it the fan motor, don't I? That's what it is. It's a fan. That's the sideboard. This is an amazing dryer, and obviously not as good as an Istanbul dryer, but it's pretty okay. It's pretty nice. It does a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Like, obviously you can't get all the water off because nothing's perfect. Like, no one's perfect and nothing's perfect. But this is good enough. This is pretty good.
Great job.
For all WashTec, this is pretty nice. There's the cage where you can see the fan spinning. Because you notice the motors are hiding behind these little sides of the gantry.
Yeah.
But I think we should be done in about just a moment. And done. So yeah, I'll see you guys for the next episode. Goodbye.